Hi, it's Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're going to be experimenting with a swipe over black and with all neon colors to see if I can get that ghost swipe with only in black. So let's see how this goes today. I'm going to get down and explain the colors as we go along, and we'll get started. Okay, this is Sherwin-Williams Color to Go in Tricorn Black. Next thing down is Hustle, and this is by this little Piggy. It's one of their neon line. It's Piggy's Go to the Disco line. You can see I have a lot of pinks going on. Next is Groovy, and it's a lighter pink. Or maybe that's backwards. I think the Groovy is a darker pink. It's more of a magenta feel. Next down is going to be Mosh, which is a nice bright orange. And again, all neon. If I were to put this on a black light, you would see that they indeed are neon. I need to invest in a black light so I can show you that. Next is their green, which is, this is Boogie, which is the lighter, or the darker orange of this group. Next is Techno, which is an extremely bright yellow. I mean, this almost glows without having a black light. Next is Grunge. This is their green, another bright color. Not as bright as Techno, but it does glow. Next is the blue, which is Rave. I'm going to come in next with my cell activator. I'm going to coat the back of my swiping tool with carbon black, Triarch carbon black, and Australian floetrol at a 3-to-1 ratio. Good coat of this across the entire back. It's very simple. What I'm going to do with this after it's coated up is going to flip it over, and I'm going to do a simple swipe across the entire surface. Watch these cells develop. This is real time. It's not been sped up. I'm just doing a nice, even, slow swipe across the top. You see, I'm not even all the way across in there. The cells are developing. Okay, I sped this up just a little bit because this video was already going to be about 9 minutes long, and so I wanted to shorten it up for you. I think it's just under 6 minutes long now. So I'm going to stretch this out, make sure I get enough coverage. Once I see that I've got enough going on, I'm going to start spinning. I cut a lot of the spinning out because, you know, we've seen one spin, we've seen them all. There we go. So you can see I got some beautiful, beautiful cells, and the cells picked up on the colors. I couldn't be any more happy with this. I'd like to do it again on a much larger canvas and see how the results are. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. Well, I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I hope that you got something out of this. So I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.